So let's talk about the two different techniques we can actually use when we want to compare or contrast two different things together. There are two ways. The first one is called block comparison, and the second way is called point-by-point comparison. Now, as an example, imagine you wanted to compare two different cars together. So, we want to compare a BMW with a Honda, for example. Let's look at the first technique together. The first technique is called the block comparison. The block comparison basically tells us that we will talk about each item individually in separate paragraphs. For the purpose of our example, we will talk about BMW in the first paragraph. We can discuss its speed, its design, its price as well. And in the second paragraph, we can talk about the second car, which is a Honda in our example. We can also talk about the speed, the design, and the price as well. That is just one way of organizing your ideas when you want to compare two different items or objects. The second technique is called the point-by-point comparison. In this example, what we'll do is, instead of having two different paragraphs for the two different items, we will take the things we mentioned before, like speed, design, and price, and put them into individual paragraphs. So for the first example, we will talk about the speed of both BMW and Honda cars. And in the second paragraph, we will talk about the design of both BMW and Honda cars. And in the third and final example here, in the third and final paragraph, we will talk about the price of both BMW and Honda cars. So as you saw, we have two different techniques. I hope this video gave you a brief overview of how you can organize your ideas when you want to compare and contrast two different items together. Thank you for listening, and as always, keep practicing and never give up.